Hi, my name is Steven. Welcome to WP Lifestyle. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscription button and click on the bell notification so you get notified when next we upload a video. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a YouTube channel step by step, including the key optimization settings that most people miss when creating a YouTube channel that will help you to maximize your result. So I'm going to head over to my computer right now and then I will show you how you can set up your YouTube channel for success. If you are ready, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to head over to youtube.com and click on sign in. And you will be asked to log in. So if you already have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and log into that Gmail account and use it for your YouTube channel. But if you don't have a Gmail account, you can go ahead and create a new one. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to create one from scratch. So the next thing you need to do is to click on create account. And from here, you get to decide the type of account that you want to create. So one of them is for yourself and the other one is for your business. So one thing to keep in mind is that if you use this personal account to create your YouTube channel, that means you'll be restricted in using your name or whatever name you use for that account as a YouTube channel name, because you will not be able to change it. And every time you want to assign someone, or let's say you want to assign a manager to your YouTube channel, that person would have access to that particular Gmail account. You have to give them your login detail for them to be able to log into that Gmail account to manage your YouTube channel. But the business account, which is the brand account, will give you all the flexibility that you need to be able to manage your YouTube account. This will allow you to have a different name for your Google account and a different name for your YouTube channel. And it will also allow you to assign different managers to manage your YouTube channel without giving them access to your Google account. You'll be able to assign someone to manage your YouTube channel using their own Google account. This is the benefit of using the business account. So I'm going to go ahead and create a business account. So it's going to ask you to fill in your details here. So I've gone ahead and enter my first and last name, and you can enter your email address here if you have one, but if you don't have one, you can go ahead and click on create a new Gmail account instead. So I'm going to click on create a new Gmail account instead. So I'm going to use wplifestyletutorials@gmail.com as my email. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my password. So create a new password. And then you can click on next. And then it's going to ask you to enter some personal information, which includes your phone number, a recovery email. So the phone number is optional. You can leave it blank if you want. And also a recovery email is optional, but it's also good to have a recovery email. So if you already have another email address like Yahoo or Gmail, you can enter that here so that you can use that email to get access to your account. If anything happens and you forgot your password and you can't get access into your account, you can use that email to recover your Gmail account. And then you can go ahead and enter your date of birth and gender here. And once you do that, click on next. And then the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and read this privacy policy and terms of services to see the type of data that is being collected when you use Google account. Once you finish that, scroll down here and click on agree. And now it's going to ask you to create a free business profile, but that's not what we're trying to do at the moment. We're trying to create a YouTube channel for your brand. So go ahead and click on not now. And here you can see that it will take you back to YouTube. And the next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon right here and click on create your channel. And then from here, you click on get started. And over here is going to ask you whether you want to use your name as your YouTube channel or you want to create a custom name for your YouTube channel. So you can go ahead and use your personal name if you want, or you can go ahead and choose a custom name for your YouTube channel. So for the sake of this tutorial, I would like to keep my name private and create a custom name for my YouTube channel. So I'm going to click on create a custom name by clicking on select. And here it's going to ask you to choose a channel name. So I'm going to say, it could be that you still want to use your name. You can go ahead and put your name here still. So I'm going to say WP Lifestyle Tutorials and I will click accept. I understand that I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings and click create. Now we have this option. We can go ahead and use our YouTube channel as WP Lifestyle Tutorials, or we can sign in as Steven Iloka. So I'm going to click on WP Lifestyle Tutorials. Now you get presented with this. Nice work. Your channel WP Lifestyle Tutorials has been created. And then it's going to ask you to upload a profile picture. So I'm going to click on upload. And then from here, I'm going to select one of the pictures that I have here. So once you have your profile picture uploaded, the next thing you're presented with is your channel description. So this is where you describe what your channel is all about, including who you are and the type of content that you upload and what your viewers can expect. Now, a pro tips here is that you can actually optimize this up by adding some key phrase and some keywords to help your channel rank. And what I mean by adding some key phrases and key tags into your channel description to help your channel rank is by including some keywords that you think that people might be searching for when they are looking for the kind of content that you are creating. Obviously, you want to add tags that are relevant to the kind of content that you'll be putting out. You don't want to add tags that is completely irrelevant to your channel. You don't want people to find your channel and it's completely the opposite of what they're looking for. So let me show you an example. Let me go back to my channel here. You can see in my description here, I mostly make tutorials about WordPress, web design, graphic design, branding. If someone is searching for branding, they might end up bumping into my channel and they will actually find what they are looking for. So you want to make sure that you are adding keywords and phrases that are actually related to the content that you are putting out. So once you do that, so for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to copy my description here and I will go over here and paste it here so that we can move forward. And once you do that, the next thing you need to do is to add links to your channel. Over here you can see that I have my website link here, I have my Facebook link, Twitter and Instagram. So if you go over here, you can see that I have my website here and my Instagram. If you click on it, you can see this will actually take you to the website. Okay, so this is what these links are for, right? So go ahead and enter those. I have entered mine. I'm going to go ahead and click on save and continue. So now that this is completed, the next thing you need to do is to verify your channel. So you can see now that this is a brand new channel, it's not verified yet. Once you verify your channel, it's going to unlock extra functionality and extra features for you inside the YouTube studio. So to do this, you need to head over to your channel icon here and click over here and scroll down here and click on settings. And from here, you want to click on channel status and features. If you click on feature eligibility, you can see the default features are enabled. You can see here, these are the features that we have right now. Video upload, playlist creation, add collaborators to playlists, add a new videos to existing playlists. So these are all the features that we have right now. And these features here are the ones that require phone verification. So from over here, if you click here, you can see that you will not be able to upload any video that is more than 15 minutes if you did not verify your account. You will not be able to upload a custom thumbnail, which is something that you need if you want your channel to be on brand. To verify your account, all you need to do is to click on verify by phone. And then you can go ahead and select your country. And then you can say call me or text me. So if you choose call me and they're going to ask you to get your phone ready for automated voice message. If you put text me, you're going to put in your phone number here and they're going to text you. So I'm going to skip this step because I don't want to show my phone number. I will enter my phone number here and click on submit. And then I will get the verification code that will be sent to my phone. And then I'll enter it in the next step. Okay, so let's skip this step. Okay, so once you enter your phone number and click on submit, they're going to send you a code. And then you're going to enter the code in the next page that said enter verification code and click on submit. Once you do that, it will bring you to this page right here that says congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified. And once you see this message, you know that your YouTube account has been verified. So now if we go back here and click on the icon over here to go back to your YouTube account, click on the setting. We go back here and click on channel status and features. Over here, you can see that all the features are now enabled. You can now create videos that are longer than 15 minutes, create custom thumbnails and all that. So the next setting that I want to show you is the audience setting. So you can set this for every single video, or you can just set it from your channel so that every time you upload a video, it will use the same setting. So for here, they're going to ask you if the content that you are creating are made for kids. So if the content that you'll be uploading on YouTube is meant for kids, then you want to make sure that you select yes, this channel is made for kids. And then if they're not made for kids, then you can select no, this channel is not made for kids. But if you're going to be uploading contents that are made for kids and some of them are not made for kids, you might want to go with I want to review this setting for every single video. And if you're not sure what contents are made for kids, you can click on this link right here, what content is meant for kids, and it will open up this link that you can read to determine if your contents are made for kids. Okay, so for this channel, It's not meant for kids, so I'm going to select no. Then I'm going to scroll down. Over here, you want to display the number of people that have subscribed to your channel. This is up to you. You can say yes or no. And then if you scroll down here, after you selected your subscriber count, you can see advertisements, so you can read this here. So for this option, if you want personalized ad to show on your video, then you can leave this unchecked. If you want to disable personalized ad on your video, then you can get this selected. So I'm going to leave this unchecked. So, and then we'll go back to the basic info. So from the basic info here, you can see this is your YouTube name. Then you can select the country of residence. So you can select your country from here. Me, I'm in Canada, so I'm going to select Canada. And here you can add keywords for your channel. So what this means is that you can add keywords. These are basically like tags to help your YouTube channel rank when people are searching for something. So you can add a keyword and just click the enter button to save that keyword. So I can put like WordPress, for example. Then if I want to put something like graphic design, I can go ahead and put that as well. And then obviously I want to add my channel name, so that when someone search for my channel name, let's say you already know my channel and you're looking for my tutorial specifically and you want to type in Wplifestyle, you want that to come up as well. So I'm going to put my channel name. Okay, so you can add as many keywords as you want. Just add all the keywords that you think that are relevant to the type of content that you'll be putting out. You don't want to add a misleading keyword. You don't want someone to find your channel and then what they are looking for is not actually on your channel. So don't add like a popular keyword because it's popular, people are going to find it. Just add keywords that are actually relevant to the kind of content that you're putting out. And then once you finish, click on save. And then once you save that, it's going to bring you to this page right here. So what you want to do now is to go back here and click on your channel. So we want to go back to your channel. And from here, we want to customize your channel. So if you look at this channel, you can see that it's not looking really nice. If you go back to my channel here, you can see that we have the channel banner and we have the videos and all that. So you want to go back to your channel here and click on customize channel. And then the first thing here is to create a channel trailer for people who hasn't subscribed to your channel. So anyone that is not a subscriber on your channel, once they land on your channel, the first video they will see here over here on the left will be your channel trailer. That is video that is going to tell them what your channel is all about. If that is what they're interested in, then they can subscribe to your channel. Unfortunately, I don't have one of those videos here, but I'm sure you've seen one before. So if we go back here, and then the next one is a features video for returning subscribers. So this is the video that everyone will see when they go to your channel dashboard. So the people that are not subscribed to your channel and the people that are subscribed to your channel, they're all going to see a different video if you have a video that is customized for each of these people. But if you don't have any video, your latest video will be the one to show regardless of whether they are subscribed or whether they are not subscribed to your channel. And then the next one here will be to customize the layout of your channel. Like when someone visits your channel, you can have different type of customization. Like here we already have uploads, and then you can have popular videos, short videos, live, all these type of categories. You can actually have them on your channel. Like if you go back to my channel here, the only thing I have here is once you visit my channel, you're only going to see uploads. For this tutorial, we're just going to skip that because we don't have any content on our channel yet. And then the next thing will be branding. So this is where you will actually add a custom banner image for your YouTube channel or a custom watermark for all the videos on your YouTube channel. So for this custom banner, you can go ahead and upload your custom banner if you already have one. If not, I have a video on my channel that is dedicated to this custom banner that I showed you. I walked you through how to create a custom banner for your YouTube channel step by step. So if you want to watch that video, I will leave it in the description box below, or I will leave it somewhere on the screen. I will leave it on the card somewhere so you can click on it. Let me go ahead here and show you the banner that we created. So this is the YouTube banner that we created. You can see that it's looking good on every screen, including TV, tablet, and on mobile phone. You can see. So if you want to create something like this, we upload it now and publish. Then if we go back to our channel right here and refresh it, and you can see that we have a custom banner right here. So if you want to learn how to create a custom banner like this, it doesn't have to look exactly like this, but I showed you, I gave you all the tools and tips that you need. If you watch that video, you'll be able to create pretty much any kind of banner that you want. If we go back over here to my channel and play any of these videos, I'm going to mute this to make sure that it's not going to make noise. And then over here, once the video is playing, after 5 seconds, you can see now that we have this logo here, which is WP Lifestyle logo. And this is going to have the subscribe button here. That means that someone can actually click on this and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And this is where you will do that by clicking on here, watermark over here. You can see that we have the watermark. You can click on upload image, and then you can upload pretty much anything. You can upload your picture if you want. And then you can decide when this custom watermark icon is going to appear on the video. If you leave it on end of the video, it's only going to appear at the end of the video. And if you put it at the entire video, it's going to show from the beginning. But I like to put mine on custom start time, so I can put 5 seconds. That means this will start showing 5 seconds to the video, just in case if there is any ads or anything in front of the video, that will be right after the ad. And then once you do this, you can go ahead and click on publish. So now you can see that your YouTube channel is pretty much all set up. And the last thing I'm going to show you, this is the reason why we created a business account, is to add a manager to your account. So let's say you're a business and you run a business, you don't have the time to manage your YouTube channel, but you want to hire someone to manage your YouTube account for you. So this is how you can go and add a manager or remove a manager from your YouTube channel. To do that, you need to head over to your profile here and click on the profile icon, and then click on your channel and go back to your YouTube channel, and then click on the profile icon again, and then you can click on setting over here. And then from here, now you can see channel manager. So from here, you can add or remove a manager from your channel. So when you add a manager to your channel, they don't have access to your YouTube account or your Google account. You can actually use their own Gmail account to add them, so they can manage your YouTube account through their own Gmail account without having any access whatsoever to your Gmail account. So if you click over here, you have the option to add or remove manager, so you can manage managers here. From here you can add a manager, assign roles and stuff. You need to log into your account, so I'm not going to cover that in this video, but this is how you can do it. I do have another video on this channel showing you how to add managers, a dedicated video that will show you everything step by step. If you want to watch that video too, I'll leave the link in the description box below. So while we're on this page, I will quickly show you the view advanced setting over here. So this is where you will come and get your user ID or channel ID. Let's say you want to link TubeBuddy or other YouTube management softwares which we use and also recommend. So if you want to get TubeBuddy for your YouTube channel, I'll leave the link in the description box below. And from here as well, if you want to delete your YouTube channel, this is where you will do it. You can just delete this channel. If you want to move the channel to a different brand account or different Google account, this is where you will do it as well. Now, if you go back to your profile icon here and click on your channel, you can see that this channel is now set up and ready for you to start uploading your videos. So for you to upload a content or upload a video, you can just click on this icon here and click on upload a video or go live. So that's a complete walkthrough on creating and setting up your YouTube channel for success. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you get notified when next we upload a video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.